Good morning and welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. I'm Mrs. Gallagher.
And I'm not here, but I'm Grayson Gallagher.
Grayson Gallagher is
and
not
I'm still not here.
But he's going to be joining us in a little bit. And on today's Morning Math with the Gallaghers, we're going to teach you how to make a Flexagon. It's this really cool foldable thing that you can, oh here, I'll show you one that I've already made. So it's a folded piece of paper, and when you fold it in different directions, you can reveal different sides of it, like this. And so I'm going to show you how to make one of these on your own. The really cool thing about this one is that all it requires you to do is have a piece of paper and some scissors, and that's it. You don't have to glue anything. It's pretty easy. So Grayson, are you ready to get started?
Sure.
All right, so I'm going to switch to the document cam so we can show you exactly what we're doing.
Do you need scissors?
Yeah, I have scissors right here, okay?
Okay.
Oh, don't unfold mine, dude.
It goes like this.
I know.
That's cool.
All right.
I've never made one of these before.
Yeah, so Grayson's going to be making it together with us. So the first thing we need to do, I have a regular piece of paper. First thing we need is we need to make our paper a square. So the easiest way that I know to make it a square is, do you know how to make a paper a square?
Cut these two sides, I think.
Yeah, but first we need to make sure it's going to be even. So what I usually do is I'll fold the top side down so that it's flush against the other side. So it makes like a triangle. And then I'm going to cut off this extra piece. So I don't know how well you can see.
Are we making it a triangle?
We're not making it a triangle, but we need a triangle to make sure that our square has 4 equal sides.
What?
So when we cut that piece off, now we have a nice square piece of paper. All right, Grayson, you want to do my folding for me? Do you know how to fold hamburger and hot dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come here and fold for me.
So what which one are we doing? Hamburger and hot dog, or
yeah, we're gonna fold it twice in the same direction, and then we'll unfold it and fold it twice in the other direction. Okay, so which way do you want to fold first?
Let's do it this way.
Okay.
Hamburger, I think.
Hamburger, okay. It's really important that we line up our edges so that our folds are perfect. Is it good? Okay. We're gonna crease. Okay, and then let's fold it that same way again. So here's my fold. We're going to fold that fold here again. Can you check the creases? Make sure it lines up beautifully.
Go.
Go. Okay. So now when we unfold it, how many parts will this have?
It's a rectangle. It would have 4.
4? Okay, let's unfold it and make sure. Let's unfold it on camera so they can see, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Very good. 1.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, for those who are in Spanish.
Yes. All right. So now I'm going to twist it around and let's fold it that way again. So like this.
Oh, I'm the checker.
You're the checker?
Go.
Okay.
I'm trying to make sure they can see it.
And one more time, same direction.
There. No, wait. That's fine enough. It's good enough.
Good enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's unfold it and it'll have 8 parts.
8 parts?
I think.
Does it have 8 parts?
16.
16? Why does it have 16 parts?
Because 4 times 4 equals.
Oh, area. Okay, so 4.
Which has to do with math, so that's
4.
the math part of this.
All right. So now I don't know if you can see, but we have our creases. And then
should I draw it with Sharpie there?
Not right now, no.
So like this is a crease right there. You can probably see it because it's bent.
Yeah.
We also got a glare paper.
So now the next thing we need to do is we need to cut out these middle 4 boxes. Now, instead of trying to get the scissors in there, one thing you can do is you can fold it towards the center. Here's my fold. Here's my middle. It's important to know where the middle is. So here's the middle right here. So I'm going to fold it towards the center. Here's my middle.
And then we cut.
And then,
no, I don't.
Oh, you want to cut?
Yes.
Oh, I was going to fold it one more time. Is that okay or no?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
So here's my middle right here. So I'm going to fold it one more time. Here's my middle right here. So basically what we want to do, we want to cut out this square right here, and that should cut out my 4 middle boxes. Okay. So now you have to be careful, Greg, because you don't want to. You want to cut here until you get to there. So don't cut my thumb, okay?
It's hard.
Yeah. Let me know if you want me to do it. Okay, and stop. And then we want to cut this side also along the crease. All right, a little bit further. Maybe a little bit further here.
Don't rip it.
Don't rip it. Here, let me take the scissors. I'm gonna
Flip it, don't rip it.
Should not have ripped it. Okay. And now we have
a square. Wow.
Yep. So this is the shape that you need to make the Flexagon. All right. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold
a smaller square.
A smaller square. So now for folding it, let's see. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the left-hand side over here. And I think that this is actually upside down. So we're going to fold in the left-hand side all the way. And then what you do is you just kind of work your way around the square. So next I'm going to fold in the top. Next I'm going to fold in the right-hand side.
And then can I fold on the bottom?
The bottom's actually the hardest part to fold because when no, that's the top, buddy.
Oh.
This is the bottom down here. So when you fold in the bottom, you want this corner to actually go underneath and inside here.
Oh.
So I can't just fold it up like this. That's not going to work. So I have to
I know how to
push in. Which way are we? Push in this seam. And then push it to the inside. So that's like the hardest part, I think. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, no. Okay.
Don't worry, we have a spare.
We're going to try again. Left in, top, right.
Left in, top, right.
Fold this. Just kind of push that side under.
I'm going to make the world's smallest folded paper.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
I'm going to make the world's smallest folded paper.
So now when we're done, we have 4 squares. And that's
with a little hole in the middle.
That's all you got to do. So now Grayson's going to color this in, right, Gray?
Yeah.
While I kind of show you what a Flexagon is, what it does, and all those things. So here's
we already showed them.
Here's your crayons.
Crayons.
I'm going to switch it back to me.
This is what it does.
Okay, why don't you start coloring?
Let's do
all right. So I'm gonna start.
Wait, is this the right one?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start here. So here I have my 4 boxes, and in these 4 boxes I have red circles. So this is the first side of the Flexagon, my Flexagon that I colored. Side number 1 has red circles. Okay. And then what we do is we fold it in half, and we pry it apart, and we get a second side. My second side has green stripes on it. Let me know if you need help.
Nope, I don't.
Okay, so from here I can fold it in half again, and I get a third side. My third side has blue stars on it.
Could I have you for a minute, Mom?
What do you need, buddy?
I need help finding the red.
The red crayon?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, okay.
That was easy.
Now I'm going to fold it again. And here is side number 4, which has purple flowers on it. So you can color yours with whatever you want. Right now, we're just trying to discover how many sides there are. So I'm going to fold it again.
Do you mean faces?
How many faces? Uh-oh, I'm back to my red circles. So somewhere, there's actually more sides. Let me see if I can find them. Okay, so if I fold it this way, I get my blue snowflakes, which I already saw. So let's try to fold it the other way. And I get a new side. This side has red hearts, which I don't think we've done yet. So here we're at 5 sides. All right, and I think there's one more hiding in there. So let's fold this one more time. And
I think I copied you.
Oh, cool. Yeah, red hearts.
Actually,
blue squiggles.
Hearts. Actually, pink hearts.
Pink hearts? Okay.
Violet red. Whatever.
Blue squiggles.
Tomato, tomato.
Potato, potato. And that's it. There are 6 sides. So your Flexagon has 6 sides to it. And it's all just a matter of folding it in half and finding your 6 different sides. Now, there is a mathematical reason why a Flexagon has 6 sides. Hey, Gray, can I scoot you over so that I can go back to the document cam or no?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna I have one that's still unfolded.
Ooh, crayons.
And so we're gonna take a look at why a flexigon has 6 sides. Or 6 faces, as Grayson said.
Yeah.
So here's an unfolded flexigon.
But actually, it actually has 24 faces.
It does, and that's exactly why it has 6 sides.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
I knew it.
why do you think it has 24?
Because 4 times 6 equals. We saw that 4 times 6 equals. We saw
4 times 6 is 24. I like that.
Yeah.
And why are you doing 4 times 6?
Because of the sides. Since there's 6 sides.
6 sides and
4 faces on each side.
okay, and that's why.
And that's why it's 24 faces.
24. Okay, that's perfect. That's exactly the math I wanted you to do. So
I knew it.
We said that there were 6 different sides, and each side has 1, 2, 3, 4 squares.
It's Baby Yoda.
Okay, so 4 squares times 6 side is 24. And if we look at this one that we had opened, now remember that originally this had 16, but we cut out the middle 4. So now there should be 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is upside down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll twist it so it's right side up. All right, so there's 12 sides. Now we said 24, Gray. What? How come there's only 12? Oh my goodness, the back. And there should be 12 more on the back, which makes 24.
It does.
Okay, and so that's kind of the math behind a flexigon. And I think, how are you coming on your coloring, kid? You're almost done?
I think.
Yeah?
Oh, that's my brown.
There you go. All right, so we're going to let Grayson keep coloring his. And I think, what do you think, kiddo? Do you think that's it for today?
One sec, could I show them mine?
Absolutely. How many more sides do you got to color?
I think this is my 4th one.
4? Okay. And sometimes the 5th and 6th one are a little bit hard to find. I personally always have trouble finding my blue snowflakes and my purple flowers. So.
Oh, I got the hearts again.
You got the hearts again? Yeah, sometimes that happens. Well, what have you done so far? Let's take a look.
So I did a pink hats.
Pink hearts.
If you can see that. Here, let's
you want to
put
switch
it on
to
the
the
Ziggy.
Okay.
Ziggy.
Oh, my mouse is not moving.
That's bad. That's really bad.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Okay, so we've got some pink hearts.
No, actually, those
are your polka dots.
Those are my pink
There's
hearts.
the pink hearts.
Brown squiggles.
Brown squiggles.
Ooh. Oh, I just did that one. The smiley face mayhem.
Blue smiley face mayhem. Oh, there's your polka dots again. This is where I always run into trouble. So we found 4 faces. Somewhere, though, it's supposed to be 5 and 6. Maybe this one will get us to 5 and 6.
There.
Okay, well, we're going to find 5 and 6 off screen. And Grayson, what do we say at the end of one of these?
Bye! By the way, we'll show on this we'll show how mine looks in 6 different pictures.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Or we'll just send a video.
All right.
Oh, it's that under here.